In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Steam Wallet in Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to top up your Steam Wallet smoothly using your Gcash app, with a few helpful tips to keep everything hassle-free. Start by signing in to your Steam account, either on the desktop app or in a web browser. Using a computer is ideal because you'll need to view a QR code clearly on your screen. Once you are in, move your cursor to the top right corner. Click your profile name and choose Account Details. This is where Steam keeps your wallet settings and payment options. Next, click the button that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet. You'll see a list of preset amounts. Pick the amount that suits your needs. Keep in mind that available denominations can vary by region, and if your Steam currency doesn't match your Gcash currency, you may see conversion or small processing fees. It's a good idea to make sure you have enough Gcash balance before you proceed. When you are ready, continue to the checkout and choose your payment method. Select Gcash. Depending on your location, it may appear under Alipay or a third-party payment partner list, so look carefully through the options. Once selected, click Continue and review the summary. Agree to the terms when prompted to move forward. Steam will then display a QR code on the screen. Leave this page open. On your phone, launch the Gcash app. Tap Pay QR and scan the code shown on your computer. Confirm that the merchant and the exact amount look correct. Then follow the prompts within the Gcash app to authorize the payment. Make sure your internet connection is stable while you complete this step. After you approve the transaction in Gcash, switch back to Steam on your computer. Steam will usually detect the payment within moments and confirm that the funds have been added. You can verify this by checking your wallet balance in Account Details. If the balance doesn't refresh right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. You should also receive a confirmation from Gcash and an email receipt from Steam. If you encounter issues, remember that QR codes have a short time limit, so you may need to generate a new one. Avoid repeating the payment multiple times in a row. If a charge appears in Gcash but the Steam balance doesn't update after a short wait, keep the transaction reference handy and contact support. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.